Hi Summit, if you like to learn how to make this asymmetrical top with a sweetheart neckline, then watch this video to the end. My name is Veronica Adams Eze. Welcome to Vera Adams YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. So here's the pattern paper I'll be using for this tutorial, and I've gone ahead to mark shoulder to chest line, shoulder to bust line, shoulder to underbust, and shoulder to the waistline. If you do not know how to draft a basic bodice, I have a detailed tutorial that shows you step by step how to do this. For this tutorial, I'm using a neck width of 3 inches and a neck depth of 2.5 inches. And from the chest line, I'll be coming down by 1 inch, and I'll make a mark right there. I'll then go ahead to take the nipple to nipple measurement, which is 8 inches divided by 2, that's 4 inches. And on that point, I'll go up by 1 inch and make a mark. Using my ruler, I'm going to make a straight line out of this. Next thing to do is to connect these points together using the curved part of my ruler to form a sweetheart shape. Then I'll go ahead and connect right into the armhole, just the way you're seeing me doing here. I went ahead to adjust this as I didn't want this to be so curved into the armhole line. I'll go ahead to bring in my marker pen to highlight this so that it becomes more visible, and also so that we can know which line we're going to be cutting out so that we don't make a mistake. Once I'm done with this, I'll go ahead to open up the pattern paper. Yes, and then because I want this curve, this sweetheart curve, to show on the other side, I will be using my tracing wheel to trace it out so that it reflects on the other side of the pattern paper. I hope you understand this. Now that I'm done, I'm going to open up the pattern paper again, and of course you can't see it, it's not visible, it's not so clear, so I'll use my pen to trace it out, and then I'll go ahead to use the marker pen to also trace it out. Once I'm done with this, I'll go ahead to determine if I want the asymmetrical shape on the left side or on the right side. So for the sake of this tutorial, I want it on the left side, just like the inspiration. I'll go ahead and take 1 inch away from the shoulder line and make a mark there. Moving downwards, I'll place my tape measure and measure 2 inches away from that point, and then I'll connect it right into the neckline on the other side, just the way that I'm doing right here. Take note that I'm using this slightly curved part of my ruler, but you can as well use the straight part depending on what you want. Moving on, remember that 1 inch that we came out by from the shoulder line. I'll go ahead and connect that right into the armhole, just the way I've done right there. At this point, I've gone ahead to fold the paper into 2 to cut it out. Actually, you can cut it out without folding it into 2, but please just watch the way I'm cutting so that you don't end up making a mistake while cutting yours. Hey guys, I want to say a very big thank you for 500 subscribers. You made this happen. I want to say thank you, and thank you. Let's do more, guys. This means that if you are new here on this channel and you find this video helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button so that you can be a part of this YouTube channel family. Thank you. At this point, we're done with the cutting, and here's what we have as the result. If you want to make this and you were wondering how to go about the back, cut the back exactly as the front, just that for the back you do not need the sweetheart neckline, so the back just has a straight neckline, just as my ruler is indicating right here. I hope you understand this. So at this point, all that is left is to fix the collar. So I have a detailed tutorial on how to do this. So right here, I've gone ahead to pin the collar around the neckline. Please note that before you can attach the collar, you must have joined the back and the front bodies on the shoulder line. It is also safe to note that the fabric used in the inspiration we're following is a stretchy fabric, so there was no need for a zipper. But if you're not using a stretchy fabric, you need to insert a zipper in your back bodies. Kindly give this video a thumbs up if you found this useful. And also click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.